In this video we will be highlighting the proper techniques in cutting an outside decorative crown molding corner. By following these easy steps, you will save money by reducing the waste factor and save a great deal of time and frustration. As you can see from our miter saw, we have labeled the fence with photos that show the proper positioning for an inside and outside 45-degree corner. These images are available for download at www.superiorbuildingsupplies.com. There is a link for these photos in the description. Ready to make the first cut. As the picture illustrates, we will now turn our saw to the right until it hits the 45-degree mark. When cutting decorative crown molding, remember you always want to cut the molding upside down. Make sure that the molding fits firmly against the fence and table. The fence acts as the wall and the table acts as the ceiling. As the instructions on our fence show, we will save the left-hand side of our cut and discard the right-hand side. We are now ready to make our second cut. As the picture illustrates, we will now turn the saw to the left until it reaches the 45-degree mark. We now relook at our instructions on our fence for an outside corner. We see after making the cut, we save the left-hand side of the cut and discard the right. As with our first cut, it is very important that we fit the molding firmly against the fence and the table. This will ensure the molding is cut on the same angle as our first cut. By following these simple techniques, you now have an outside corner that will be virtually seamless once installed. A few things to remember when cutting outside corners. Use a saw blade with at least 96 teeth or greater. Print out the table instructions and tape them to your fence. Turn the moldings upside down to cut. And remember, the fence is the wall and the table is the ceiling. Set the miter saw to 45 degrees. Make sure the molding is firmly placed along the fence and the table. When the blade is facing the right side, save the left piece and discard the right. When the blade is facing the left side, save the right and discard the left. The full Superior Building Supplies millwork catalog can be viewed at www.superiorbuildingsupplies.com. The Superior Millwork line offers flex moldings for all of the crown and chair rail moldings, several pre-made and pre-molded inside and outside corners, and an additional full line of millwork products such as medallions, corbels, and onlays. The Superior Molding line is available almost anywhere quality millwork is sold. To find the closest distributor to you, please contact the Superior Customer Service Team at 888-328-9232.